Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot mallum. So let's start cooking. So the pan is well heated now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks. Then I'm adding some olive fish flakes. This is optional. If you are a vegetarian, you can omit this. Then I'm adding 1 medium onion sliced, some green chilies, some chopped garlic, and some curry leaves. Give it all a good mix. So now the onions are well fried. I'm going to add the carrots. I have taken here nearly 3 medium size of carrots. I have cut it into pieces. Give it all a good mix. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, and some salt. You can always add salt to your taste. Mix all the ingredients and spices well. Then cover it with a lid and let's get it cooked for nearly 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid and mix it again. Then I will close it again and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid again, give it a good mix. And I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh coconut. Mix it all well. And I will cook this for another 3 minutes. So my carrot mallum is now ready. I will turn off the flame. So this is the carrot mallum I prepared today. This is perfect with rice. So give it a try when you have all the ingredients at home. And please subscribe to my channel and share these recipes with your friends as well. So let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.